Welcome to Techie Dialogue. In today's video, we're going to show you how to add videos to GitHub in a quick and simple way. This video explains how you can upload and store video files directly inside a GitHub repository. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to github.com. Then sign in to your GitHub account. Signing in gives you access to your repositories and file management options. Step 2. Open the repository where you want to add the video. This is the project location where the video file will be stored. Step 3. Click on the Add File button and then select Upload Files from the drop-down menu. This option allows you to upload files directly from your computer. Step 4. Click. Choose your files and select the video file from your computer. Make sure the video file is ready and located in an easy-to-find folder. Step 5. Wait for the video to finish uploading to GitHub. Keep in mind that GitHub supports direct uploads for files up to 100 megabytes. Step 6. Click Commit Changes to save the video to the repository. Once committed, the video will appear in your repository files. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful tech tutorials.